My name is Shanika Anderson and I come from Maxfield.
On April 30th, 2005, me and my friend, a little boy who was 11 years old, who was my neighbor and schoolmate, was in Coronation Market in West Kingston, when a man come to us and told us that he's going to take us to buy pati. My mother, who is a vendor in the market, left us to go get goods to restock her stall. That's when he made his move. He must have been watching us. After buying us pati, he took us to William Grant Park in downtown Kingston. The man showed the little boy a magic man performing in the park, and slip away with me. I would never be seen alive again. My mother went to the Darling Street police station, and a policeman told her that he cannot help her because at that time, people had to wait 24 hours to file a missing person report. She went to Central Police Station, and they told her the same thing. She finally went to Hunts Bay Police Station, same thing. The next day at around 6 a.m., my mother went back to Central Police Station, but nobody talked to her until my father came, and started to create excitement. That was when they told her to go to CVM. She went to CVM, who told her to go back to the police station to get a note before they can help her. I was found the next day, 10 minutes drive away from the market, on an empty lot in Manly Meadows. I was in a very bad condition. I had been actually assaulted, strangled, and brutally unalived. My body had bruises to my private areas, head, and back. Bloody clothes and a used condom were found close to my body. My head was pointed toward the sky. The cruel man got away with it. The police, over the years, hold 3 male suspects after a reward of $100,000 was offered for information leading to an arrest. But them get released after DNA samples did not connect them to my untimely end. The 24-hour wait to report missing children law was changed because of me. There is also a foundation in my name, started by Big Stone Television on YouTube, that continues to recognize me and other children who have been horribly victimized through violent means over the years.